Here's the thing, this course is different. We'll not cover basic traffic generation strategies. What you will get is the entire advanced traffic generation package. What most marketers do is generating traffic by selecting the campaign objective, send visitors to website, and then using the interest targeting section. Now, I have nothing against interest targeting. It's a fantastic way to get some initial traction on a new website. But if you can, then you should take the next step and deploy more advanced traffic generation strategies. And that's what you will discover in this training. It's not the basic stuff. What you're about to learn is more advanced, but also more efficient than the old school way of generating traffic. I'll show you how to use custom audiences, lookalike audiences, and something called retargeting to generate thousands of visitors more effective and cheaper. All strategies are 100% actionable and you can deploy them right away. That's why this training is different. So let's get started and let's change your business today.